I'm George Eastwood, board chair, executive director at the Emily Whitehead Foundation. We're focused on supporting patients and caregivers affected by childhood disease and advocating for all patients that can receive an advanced therapy. Where we're looking at in the industry with the commercially approved therapies, only treating about 20% of those eligible. A number of obstacles, even starting with patient education, physician education, even just general awareness of cell and gene therapies. I think we can lose sight of that here at meetings like this that we've all gathered for 10 plus years talking about it. But in the general community, the power of stories like Emily's and the other CAR T warriors that we have just have not been magnified enough. So I think there's a general awareness problem in the field. There's some of the connotation in the media around pharma and innovation that we hope to change the narrative on, and really preaching collaboration amongst all of the stakeholders here. And how can we further that message? Collaboration in general and diverse viewpoint collaboration is some of the most important things in any industry and innovation. I've been a huge proponent of bringing people from outside of cell therapy to look at things differently. But we also need to draw upon the history within blood banking, bone marrow transplant. Uh, Meeting on the Mesa, and those are unbelievable points to pull all of those stakeholders together. But I think the real question is, what do we do when we leave here? How do we narrow the focus and start getting things done? Whether it's after a panel or after great meetings we have, there's so much energy. How do we bring that collaboration forward? And at the Emily Whitehead Foundation, we're focused on bringing those diverse stakeholders together, having those conversations, and trying to drill down to the real problems that are present. So I think the more diverse the viewpoint, the different industries we connect, a lot of that applies across the whole value chain in the ecosystem here, maybe more so than any other pharma segment in the past. And so much room for innovation and so much room for collaboration, but we do have to define those goals and execute on them together. At the foundation, over the last 3 years since I've become board chair, we've really focused to reshape our strategy for the needs of where advanced therapies are headed. Our new mission statement, supporting patients and advocating for all advanced therapies, a shift in actual statement, but not a shift in the sentiment that Tom, Carrie, and Emily have had for a goal of having more families have the same outcome as them. Over the years, things have developed where at least 30% of our calls are from adult patients, not really defined by their disease or the specific cancer like most nonprofits organizations, but really around that journey of an advanced therapy treatment. Right now, it's autologous CAR T that are commercially available that we see the most trials for as well. But in the future, the allogeneic side and how we can deliver more to the community and how we can partner with everyone in the ecosystem to attack those challenges that we're looking at. We're further defining the how and the what of that mission, since there is so much to do, but continuing along with supporting innovative grants in mental health research and neurocognitive effects of CAR T, and collaborating further with our partners to further define the need. So it's been a big journey here in the 3 years, but the baseline that was built from Tom and the founding board members, we're just continuing on to connect the local roots of the foundation to the global reach that we've seen Tom, Emily, and Carrie have. So this is the perfect forum to talk about that here at Meeting on the Mesa. I've also joined the board of ARM to help connect the patient stories at a deeper level and to really have the patient voices heard across the system. So I'm really thankful to Tim and everything he's done here in his couple of years at ARM. So really excited to move forward on that front as well.